So, have you ever had a Lego fall into a hard to reach place? So I'm currently building the Big Ben creator. So I had a small tiny little piece, let's see if I can get it focused in there, fall right down there. Now, my hand is way too big to reach it. I don't have a 4-year-old on hand to reach down and grab it. And I really don't feel like flipping this thing over and cracking a bunch of pieces. So what I happen to have is an elongated tool grabber that I actually use for tools that I happen to have in the garage. So you press down on the top. So you press down on the top, small piece comes out, and this one just happens to have a light that's attached to it, which makes it even easier. And there's my piece. So I got that at Home Depot. I'll put a couple links in the description to Amazon for different lengths, and I'll try and find some that actually still have the light.